try this. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So here's one of my quick and easy alkaline vegan breakfast ideas. If you want to see this, please stay connected. You can cut your seasonings smaller. I love using it that way, and I leave my mushrooms in whole, and then I wash the potatoes and just chop them up into smaller pieces. I just place the chopped potatoes in a pan over low heat and let it simmer. Then I add 1 tablespoon of pure honey. This gives it a beautiful golden color. I also add the green seasonings, the whole mushrooms, some salt to taste, a spoonful of turmeric, and I allow it to cook for 3 more minutes. Then turn off the heat and set it aside. I use 1 tablespoon of canola oil for frying the plantain, and while they are frying, I make sure I use a fork and just flatten the plantain on both sides to make it easy for shaping. Once they are fried, I remove from the heat, and seeing that they are very soft and flattened, I just shape them into these round circles, more or less like a cup or a bowl. At this point, I prepare a paste. I add 1/2 cup of almond flour, 1 tablespoon of canola oil, 1 tablespoon of water, and 1 tablespoon of honey, and mix everything together to get this paste. The pan already has oil from frying the plantain, so I add the shaped plantain pieces in there, and I add some of the almond paste to the center of each of the shaped pieces. This will basically prepare a base to accommodate the rest of the ingredients. They actually look like little cups or little boats at this point. Now I'm going to add some of these mushrooms that we prepared to each of the individual plantain cups or boats, whatever you choose to call them. Each of these plantain cups are filled with mushrooms and the bell peppers and everything that was used to saute the mushrooms. And I also ensure that I add some of the stock to it to give it a nice finishing and flavor. Guys, you can use whatever you want to fill up these plantain cups or boats, and you make adjustments to your recipe based on the amount of people that you may have to serve this to. This smells amazing. Here it is, guys, my healthy breakfast idea. This is very easy to prepare, so make the adjustments to your recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for sharing. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so and hit the notification bell so you would never have to miss another of my videos. Bye!